What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail, and today's cocktail, guys, is the Charlie Chaplin Cocktail. So imagine yourself, it's 1920, just after World War II and just before the Roaring 20s. This cocktail is created in the Waldorf Astoria in New York City itself, just prior to 1920, not precise date. So for the Charlie Chaplin Cocktail, this recipe is adapted from the Waldorf Astoria recipe book, it's going to say from 1935. And it was created in the celebration of Charlie Chaplin at its peak, absolute peak of the silent film in the Roaring 20s. So to make the Charlie Chaplin cocktail, guys, I will show you how to make it. So it is Sloe Gin, Apricot Brandy and fresh lime juice, and it is 22.5ml or 3/4 of an ounce for each one. So what you want to do, guys, is get your cocktail shaker and put some ice, which we've already done. So I put in about 4 to 5 ice cubes. So the first ingredient to go in, guys, is a 22.5ml or 3/4 of an ounce of Sloe Gin. So the next ingredient is 22.5ml or 3/4 of an ounce of Apricot Brandy. Last but not least, 22.5ml or 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. So grab your lid, put the lid on, now give it a good hard shake, 8 to 10 seconds, get nice and chilled. What you want to do now is get your small cocktail glass and strain into it. Right, now strain into your small cocktail glass. So with the Charlie Chaplin cocktail, it's a bit of a sweet and sour cocktail, more of a sour one. So to dilute it, to get the perfect ratio, we'll go add in 3 ice cubes that are wet. So we've got to add in 3 wet ice cubes just to dilute. You can use water if you wish. And there we go, guys, one Charlie Chaplin cocktail. As you can see, there's the Charlie Chaplin cocktail. Looks very nice. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, one Charlie Chaplin cocktail. How does it taste? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, yes, I really do like the taste. It certainly balances it out with nice ice cubes. Like I said, you can use water if you wish to dilute it. What we're trying to get is that perfect balance of that fruity taste, because it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I really recommend it. It's a nice dilution. It's sweet and sour. I can definitely taste that sweet and sour taste. But to me, it's certainly fruity, and I like it. It's got to say it's a fruity taste, and I love it. Just got to say, Sloe Gin mixed in with the fresh lime juice and the Apricot Brandy is just beautiful. And I think it's absolutely perfect. And I can't think of a better cocktail for him, especially the king of the silent film, Charlie Chaplin. So that, guys, is the Charlie Chaplin cocktail. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid. It really does help the channel grow. If you like, share and subscribe, I really would appreciate it. But that is the Charlie Chaplin cocktail, and I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers.